Hey there, I'm super excited to show you how to get started with your GoSadi designer account. Once you create your account, you'll be taken straight away to the Manage Connections screen. That's so you can get started connecting your selling channels and importing your product library of patterns. I'll start by going to Ravelry, hitting connect, and then you want to give GoSadi the necessary extra permissions, and it will start happening in the background. You can go ahead and close that out and move on to the next channel. If you also have an Etsy, connect to your Etsy, go ahead, sign in, give permissions, and it will be happening in the background. While that's going on, you can get started getting acquainted with GoSadi. Your dashboard is where you will see all of the quick hits. When you log in, this is the screen you land on. You'll see any opportunities that GoSadi is able to present its designers. This could include opportunities to teach or host an event at a local yarn shop or a stitch night or a virtual event. We feature designers' patterns in our newsletter, and so you can submit your patterns as many times as you want. You can also contribute to our blog and share with other designers tips and tricks and things that you do that make you a successful designer. You can contribute here. You can also join our affiliate program and become a member of our business chats on Discord. Our Discord community is awesome for designers to share ideas, opportunities, and really help each other build our small businesses. Once this import is complete, this import in progress will go away, and then you'll be able to go directly to your product library, which we'll show you in the next video. Thanks for joining and connecting with GoSadi.